Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you how to knit a ribbon. Will be perfect for sweaters, for cardigans, for socks. Look. And of course for hats, if for example you are using just a stockinette stitch, so you can make this beautiful ribbon. This ribbon, the number of stitches has to be divisible by 5 plus 1 extra stitch and plus 2 selvage stitches. You don't need 1 extra stitch and selvage stitches if you are knitting this ribbon in rounds. This ribbon has 2 rows to repeat, but there will be also row number, let's say 0, so we will need it only at the beginning. Slip the first stitch. Now knit 1, purl 2. Now knit 1, and next purl stitch we need to twist it. That is why we will purl it not through the front loop but through the back loop. So usually this way, like this. And now let's repeat these 5 stitches again. Knit 1, purl 2, just a normal purl stitches. Now knit 1 and twisted purl stitch. It means that we are going to purl it through the back loop. And let's repeat for the third time in my case. Knit 1, purl 2, knit 1 and twisted purl stitch. At the end we have 1 extra stitch we knitted and purl selvage stitch. And at this moment we will start knitting first row of our ribbon. Slip the first stitch, purl 1, and now we need to twist next stitch. You see it is already twisted because the front loop now is the back loop, so to twist it, you see, to twist it needed through the front loop this way. In case if your stitch is turned and look like this, then to twist it you need to knit it through the back loop this way. So here is a twisted knit stitch. Now purl 1, and now we need to make a left leaning cable twist using only 2 stitches. You may use now extra needle. I will show you how to do it with extra needle. So slip the next stitch and hold it in front, then knit 1 from the left hand needle and knit 1 from the extra needle. But no worries, I will show you how to do it without cable needle. No worries, let's repeat the pattern from the beginning. Purl 1, now twisted knit stitch, purl 1, and again left lifted cable twist for this. Pick up the second stitch Drop the first one and pick it up right away with a left hand needle. So you make a twist and return the second stitch. Now the second stitch is the first stitch and knit next two stitches. So this is the second variant how you can make a cable twist. And for the third variant, I think the easiest one, now repeat again, purl 1, knit twisted stitch, then purl 1, and here knit the second stitch. Do not drop the first stitch of the needle, so knit the second one and knit the first one, but please insert now your needle as if to knit through the front loop and drop both stitches of the needle. So for me it is the easiest and fastest variant. At the end, purl 1, it's an extra stitch and purl selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 2, slip the first stitch. Now knit 1 and next 2 purl stitches we need to make right leaning cable twist. Right leaning again. If you want to use a cable needle, slip the first stitch and hold it in back of your work. Now purl 1 from the left hand needle and purl 1 from the cable needle. So this is the first variant and I will show you the one I like the most. Now knit 1 and purl through the back loop, so purl twisted stitch. And that's what we are going to repeat. I hope you are not confused. Knit 1. Now let's twist these 2 purl stitches. Now purl through the second stitch. Here you will need to help yourself with your thumb, then purl through the front stitch and drop them both of the left hand needle. Knit 1 and twisted purl stitch. Let's repeat for the last time. Knit 1, purl second, purl first, drop them, knit 1 and purl twisted. At the end, knit 1 and purl the last selvage stitch. That's it. And now let's repeat everything from row number 1. Remember, we don't repeat row number 0. Slip the first stitch, purl 1, twisted knit stitch, purl 1, and let's make left leaning cable twist. So purl through the back loop of the second stitch and then through the front loop of the first stitch and repeat. And let's repeat for the last time. Purl 1, twisted knit stitch, purl 1 and left leaning cable twist. Through the back loop, here through the front loop, drop both stitches and purl the last extra stitch and selvage stitch. Turn and let's repeat row number 2. Slip the first stitch, knit 1, now right leaning cable twist, purl the second stitch, then purl through the first stitch and drop both stitches of the needle, then knit 1 and purl twisted purl stitch. And let's repeat again. Knit 1, purl through the second, purl through the first, knit 1 and twisted purl stitch, knit 1, purl through the second, purl through the first, knit 1 and twisted purl stitch. At the end, knit extra stitch and purl the last selvage stitch. That's it, guys, and in this way you go on repeating, and you see how beautiful the ribbon is now already. Let's look again here. Here I was using a little bit lighter yarn, but still it looks really great. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you really enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment. I will be happy to answer you. I wish you all a good day and see you soon. Bye for now.